So now we are going to set up our stock. So CAM, which some of you have used a little bit with EE, is a whole nother feature in Fusion. So if you go up here to the top left and you switch from design to manufacture, you're going to get a whole new environment, all new toolbars, all new menus, and you want to make sure that you're in inches. So first, before you do anything, open it up, make sure you're in inches. If you're not, switch it. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up our model. Setup is telling Fusion the size and location of where our rough stock or rough material is. So I'm going to click that. Immediately, what's going to happen is you're going to see these X, Y, and Z coordinates, which is showing where the zero or the origin of the machine, where the home of the machine is going to be at. And right now it's in the center top. And also the directions of X, Y, and Z are going to be important as well. So the machine knows where top and front and side are. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to check our machine coordinate system and make sure that our arrows are moving in the right way, which in the template I kind of already did that for you. So I'm not going to cover that in this video in case you had to move X, Y, and Z in a different direction. But what we will do is we're going to click on the bottom left corner right here, and we're going to select that top bottom left corner as our origin or our starting point. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go up to stock, and instead of adding additional stock, we're going to change stock offset mode, and we're going to say no additional stock. Okay. Now by doing that, you should see stock dimensions equal to our rough stock. So check that and make sure that it's a 12 by 12 by 0.75. And if that's the case, then everything should be in good standings. Okay. So then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit OK. And it says no model selected. If you get that, I do not want to ignore that warning. I'm going to go back, and where it says model, I'm going to only pick my sign. So I'm going to go over to the models. I'm going to open up my assembly, and I'm going to pick sign. And I'm going to hit OK. All right. Now you can also come in here and turn off the component so that you don't see the roughs material that I made. So turn that little eyeball off next to component, and then everything should be good and ready to go. So now you are set with your stock setup, and now you can move on to the toolpaths.